Hello friends, today I will show you how to run PHP file. So before start the work, make sure the run the local server. I am using the WAMP server. You can use any other tool, depends up to you. So first of all, this is the code editor, and now I am going to the WAMP server. This is the WAMP server project. Then I create the PHP file and I create the index.php. Actually I will run this file. There is some code. I'll delete this code. Then just run localhost /php. Nothing else here because of it's the empty file. If I run hello world, then run again the hello world, because just here and just type here. This is the not output from PHP. This is the count from just HTML and normal text. Okay. If you want to type the PHP, first of all you need to PHP syntax. Then you can run. If you run here the hello world, it will be not work. Right, because of now you write in the PHP, that's it is the not work. If you want to write the PHP, then if you like string variable, then you can is the if you want to write string, then it has like print as equal. Okay, string. Now it will be same result as like HTML. Okay, this is the PHP rows. If you direct try this one, then it will be you will see the error. Alright, that's it. So thank you for the watching. Bye bye.